Are you looking for the best Creality 3D printer? In this video, we will look at some of the best Creality 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer supports a maximum printing speed of 250 mm per second, 2500 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. The speed has been greatly improved while maintaining the printing quality, saving 73% of the time compared with other printers. Ender 3v3 SE is the upgrade of Ender 3, Ender 3v2, Ender 3 Pro, Ender 3 Neo, Ender 3v2 Neo, Ender 3S1, Ender 3S1 Pro, etc. 3D printer. Comes with a new upgraded, Sprite, full metal dual gear direct extruder, more powerful extruder pushing force and lightweight. The extruder realizes smooth feeding and discharging of filaments without slipping. Works extremely well in printing filaments like PLA, TPU, PETG, etc. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. Creality Ender 3 upgraded 3D printer features a CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset. Just lay back and enjoy the print success. There is no need to participate manually throughout the process, making leveling much easier. High-precision dual Z-axis lead screws reduce Z wobbling effectively. Avoid printing deviation in single-axis printing. This Creality 3D printer Y-axis features two 8mm linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, ensuring printing stability and higher printing accuracy over a long-lasting time. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 KE 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v3 KE 3D printer can print at up to 500 mm per second speed with 8000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, lessening your waiting time. The intuitive touch UI screen and real-time model preview make your printing process smoother. High-configuration Sprite direct extruder, 60W ceramic heater, bimetal heat break, and copper nozzle enable 300 degrees Celsius printing and smooth feeding of various filaments. Supports PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, 95A, and ASA filaments. Ender 3v3 KE robust structure and precision-engineered components guarantee smooth and steady movements. Upgraded, the X-axis has a carriage slide containing ball bearings, yielding high-quality prints every time. Equipped with a CR touch sensor for automatic calibration. It detects multiple points across the platform for precise measurement, ensuring a flawless initial layer. Save your time for hassle-free leveling. With smart algorithms function, it mitigates the printer's vibrations for minimal ringing or ghosting. Precise 0.1 mm printing accuracy. Also has dual fans for fast model cooling, making your prints always in good shape. Number 3. Creality High Combo 3D Printer. Creality High Combo 3D Printer combines with a high 3D printer and a CFS, which can fulfill the multicolor printing. Up to 16 colors with 4 CFS can be printed together. Single color printing is tedious. This printer brings you a new experience in printing job, increasing much fun in your life. An intelligent management of multiple filaments. No worry to paint your prints. Creality High is 95% pre-assembled. You can get it going in just 8 minutes after tightening only 7 screws and some wiring. A strain gauge in the tool head auto-probes the bed for an accurate leveling mesh. 2 independently motorized lead screws adjust the X-axis to the horizontal position. This auto-leveling function saves your time in leveling process without any trouble. A simple quick guide that covers all necessary software setups and first-time calibrations. Even a beginner can nail it. The X and Y axis of Creality High Combo are driven by step servo motors with FOC algorithms. This has made ultra-smooth motion possible for high combo with a speed up to 500 mm per second with a max acceleration of 12,000 mm/s superscript 2. All metal extruder gears are wear-resistant and long-lasting. Durable filament cutter can be magnetically pulled back into position after cutting. An integrated nozzle that is clog-free and allows quick swap. Also a built-in filament runout sensor in the extruder. The usage of filament is now monitored more closely and precisely for runout or breakage. Filaments can be unloaded or switched with CFS, with less residual waste. Number 4. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D Printer. Ender 3v3 Plus offers a decent 300 by 300 by 330 mm build volume. It gives you the valuable capacity to achieve bigger ambitions. Benefits of a larger build volume: printing life-size items in one piece, printing more small parts in one batch, and less cutting of supersized 3D models. The X and Z axis of Ender 3v3 Plus are rigged together, allowing two high-torque motors to work in unison for quick response in the blink of an eye. The XZ timing belts of Ender 3v3 Plus are tensioned automatically. Belt slips or jams now become a thing of the past. Thanks to the precise linear rods and timing belts, the Z-axis can position itself more accurately than ever. Two powerful motors on Y-axis. The print bed is moved back and forth swiftly by two 500 mm motors along two beefy linear rods, no sweat, to carry large and hefty 3D prints. The print quality is ensured throughout the height of the print volume. Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer with Core XZ and Y-axis dual motors supports a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second, 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. It can print 12 times faster than a regular 3D printer. Prototyping and small batch production can be done with a fraction of the previous time and cost. Number 5. Creality Official K2 Plus 3D Printer. One CFS can house 4 filament spools. With 4 CFS units hooked together, it is possible to deliver 16-color 3D prints, saving the need for painting afterward. By creating snap-away or water-soluble supports, the post-processing becomes a breeze. CFS is intelligent with automatic filament selection, switch, and relay. Upon loading an RFID filament, it can read the color and type instantly. When a filament is running out, it can relay with a similar one installed. As a pro-level 3D printing powerhouse, Creality K2 Plus offers an extraordinary 350 by 350 by 350 mm build volume, great for handling larger objects or larger batches. It is the first desktop 3D printer that uses industry-grade FOC step servo motors on all axes. Creality K2 Plus Combo, adopting industry-grade FOC step servo motors for the XYZ axis and extrusion. Step servo motor system 30,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, 40 mm superscript 3/s high flow and quiet. For a large format machine, 600 mm per second is pretty fast, but that's not the whole story. Turbocharged by the step servo motors, it can accelerate at a staggering 30,000 mm/s superscript 2. The active chamber heater is adopted for up to 60 degrees Celsius temperature inside, which is golden to forge strong prints in ASA, PPA, and other high-end materials. The new direct drive extruder assembly allows for 350 degrees Celsius printing with a max 40 mm superscript 3/s flow, and it is clog-free and easy to maintain.